This guide will help you understand the process of requesting payouts on Spotify. Follow these steps to ensure you receive your earnings smoothly. Step 1. Sign into your Spotify for Artists account. Log into your Spotify for Artists account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account linked to your music releases. Step 2. Navigate to the Payouts section. Once logged in, locate the Payouts section in the dashboard. This area contains information about your earnings and the process for requesting payouts. Step 3. Verify your payment information. Ensure that your payment information is up to date. Check that your bank account details of payment method are correctly entered to avoid any delays in receiving your funds. Step 4. Request your payout. In the Payouts section, follow the prompts to request your payout. You may need to specify the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm your request. Step 5. Monitor your payout status. After submitting your payout request, keep an eye on the status. You can check for updates in the Payouts section to see when your funds will be processed and transferred to your account. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts on Spotify. Make sure to stay informed about any updates or changes to the payout process in the future.